Room 208 at the Grand Hyatt Riverwalk in San Antonio, Texas. Quick little room tour over here. There's the floor plan. I guess we'll just go straight into the bathroom. So, very typical hotel setup. Got your makeup mirror. Got some hand lotion. Decent lighting. Your hand towels, your bath towels, bath mat, an extra roll of toilet paper, and your hair dryer. And come back here to the shower. And this has the built-in amenities right on the wall of a shower. And then you got a full-length mirror right by the door in. And your closet. Pay attention to the clothes. So you got your ironing board, and your luggage rack. Like I said, very typical for a hotel room today. And connecting room. We have a quick little rotation of the room here. So they call this the standard two double beds, not even queens. It's got lighting on each side for reading. Alarm clock, power outlets, messy there, and your phone. The Gideon Bible. And decent sized flat screen. Coffee maker, a couple pods, some teas. Ice bucket, some glasses, and you got your in-room safe and mini fridge. Keep your beverages and stuff cold. And 3 drawers for storing stuff. Garbage can, and decent little desk. And on the side here you got 2 power outlets and 2 USB standards charging. And over in the corner you got a chair, an ottoman, side table, and then your HVAC system up on the side here. Kind of hard to see with the light on. So it's got outside temperature of the city of San Antonio today. And this has the city view, I guess you would call it. Try and open this blind here. So this hotel is within walking distance of the Alamo, which is kind of over that direction there. And the Riverwalk is right outside the front door. That is a recreational area on the 5th floor. Give a little skyline tour here. Like I said, city of Alamo, or San Antonio, Texas. A Marriott hotel there, another Marriott there. And there you are. Quick like, comment, subscribe. And that's a quick tour of the San Antonio Grand Hyatt Riverwalk.